In this video, I'm going to be explaining why you need to use A/B test or split testing, what it is, how you can use it, why this is actually really important if you're doing affiliate marketing, or maybe you're promoting your own product and your own service. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about in this video about A/B testing or split test. What is it and why it is really important if you really want to get great results with your online business. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, digital marketing, MRR, you're promoting your own product, your own service. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. So you can find this with two names, actually. With A/B testing, split testing, it is literally the same thing. Okay, basically what people are talking about, and this actually include me, is that you need to have a capture page, okay? A page in which you're going to be asking people for their name and email in exchange of something. Okay, it can be an ebook, it can be a cheat sheet, it can be an introduction to a webinar, some special masterclass, but they're going to give you their name and email address. That's going to be the quote unquote the first payment. Okay. But there are people out there who are like, yeah, if you're getting a 10% conversion rate, a 3% conversion rate, that's great. What does it mean? That for every 100 people, 10 of them, okay, are going to give you the information, the name and the last name. Okay. That's what most people are saying. But to be honest, it is okay to get started. Okay. So chances are that you're going to be wondering like, Diana, what is actually a good number? Well, for me, it's 40% or above. Okay. You hear right, 40% above. That means that for every 100 people, I'm getting at least 40 of them or 40 of them agree to give me their name and email address. That's okay to get started. And chances are that you're like, Diana, can I see your numbers? Why are you saying this? Because most people are saying like 10% is okay. And this, guys, is don't only apply for a capture page. It's also apply for a sales page. Okay. It's exactly the same. Let me show you a little bit my numbers. Okay. Some of the information is going to be blurred because it is not relevant and it's sensitive. But here I have, for example, I have this opt-in page. Okay. And here I have 49% conversion rate. Okay. 49%. Okay. For every 100, 49 of them give me their name and email address. Okay. Here I have another one. Okay. Okay. As you can see here, we have 52% conversion rate on this one, almost 53. And here I have another one. Okay. Whenever it loads. Okay. Here we have 59%. Okay. 59% here. I'm going to scroll down. And here I have this one in which I'm working on. Okay. I'm pretty transparent. 29%. I also have this one, 51%, 55%, and this one, which is 81%. Okay. So that means that for every 100 people, 81 of them give me their name, email address. Here on this one, this is a working in progress. It's 29%. It's why it's actually really important to have an A/B test. And remember, this doesn't only work with a capture page, but also for sales page. So literally what you're going to be doing is that you're going to replicate this page. Here, you hear it right. You're going to replicate this page and you're going to be doing small tweaks. Do one tweak at a time. Okay. Let's say that this is your control page. Okay. This is the original one. Here is the text. Okay. So here you're going to write another text. Okay. So that's actually really important. Small tweaks at the time. Don't be getting crazy and create something super different. Okay. No, create something, test it. And with a good software, you're going to determine which one is going to be the winner. Okay. both of them are going to have the same thank you page. Okay. So they're going to land on the same thank you page. Okay. This is actually going to be the same thank you page. Remember, this is work for capture pages. This also work for sales pages. Okay. But now you understand that if this one, let's say that you're getting a 10% conversion rate. Okay. And on this one, you're getting a 50%, 15% conversion rate. Okay. This one is the clear winner. The software is going to let you know. Okay. So now this is going to be your control and you can replicate this one. Okay. You will need to replicate this one because we want to improve the numbers. Okay. Here, you're going to replicate this one. Okay. Here, you're going to have the same text, but maybe here you have a bottom that is, this is kind of red, pink, and here you have a bottom that is going to be green. Okay. Maybe this one's still 50% and maybe this one drops. Okay. Maybe this one's dropped 13%. Okay. So this one is still the winner. So you're going to be doing small tweaks at the time in order for you to increase the conversion rate. Okay. That's what we want. Okay. That's what we're looking for. Okay. So how do you do that? Okay. How do you do that? Well, you can use a software that is called ClickFunnels. If you want to give it a try, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can uh, give it a try. That's actually the software that I'm using. But maybe you are just getting started and you're on a budget and you don't need something super complicated. I'm going to be leaving a link below with System.io. Okay, with System.io, you can create your free account. It's going to be 100% free. You don't need to type your credit card information or PayPal account or anything like that. You can open it for free. I'm going to be leaving a link below. And also, if you want to learn more about this on detail, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can learn from all about this on detail. Okay, don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell. Okay, how do you can do this on System.io? Okay, here on System.io, you're going to go to funnels and then you're going to click here where it says create. Then you're going to put a name. Okay, I'm going to put here on tutorial. Okay, that's going to be my name. Okay, if you're going to be testing, okay, a A/B test for sales page, you're going to use this one that is sell. Okay, I'm going to be using this one which is build on audience. You're going to click here where it says save. Okay, and now you're going to be clicking here. You're going to notice that you are going to have the squeeze page, okay, which is the capture page, and you're going to have the thank you page. Okay, but we need two in order to do the A/B test. Okay, so how do you actually do that? Okay, you are actually first, you are going to be choosing the one that you like. Okay, you're going to be choosing the one that you like. Okay, I'm going to be doing this real fast. So I'm going to select this one. Okay, this is the one I'm going to put here. Squeeze A. Okay, I'm going to click outside, so it's going to translate. Let's say that you did all the necessary changes and all the stuff. Okay, and then you need to duplicate it. So you're going to click here, duplicate. You're going to be asking me, are you sure that you want to copy this that funnel? Yes. Okay. And I have this, and maybe this one's not going to be squeeze. It's going to be B. I'm going to click outside. Okay. It's going to be the same. If you click here on edit page, you're going to be doing the necessary changes. Remember, tweak one and test one thing at a time. Okay. Don't go crazy. It can be maybe the font side. It can be the call to action. It can be the place where you are putting the links. Okay. So one thing at a time. Now, we're going to go to the original one and we're going to click here where it says A/B test. Okay. Here on A/B test, it's asking me, okay, it's asking me to squeeze space. So I'm going to choose the variation. Okay. The variation is going to be this one that I already created. And the goal page, I haven't created the goal page, so I'm going to be doing this really quick. Okay. The goal page is the thank you page. Okay. So I'm going to go back. And as you notice, this is even the thank you page, and I can even do changes here on my thank you page. Okay. You're going to notice this. Okay. But we are going to keep this simple. Then you can test. Okay. So we're going to click again here, A/B test. This is the original. Okay, I'm going to choose the variation. It's this one, which is the gold page. Okay, boom, here we go. Okay, here, I already refreshed it because it was not um, selecting the right one. So here is it. Thank you, page. And here we have, I'm going to save. So now the only thing that I need to do is I need to click here where it says start A/B test. So the system is going to be doing this automatically. Let's say you're sending 100 people. So it's going to be sending 50 here and 50 here. And after that, it's going to let you know which one, okay, is the clear winner. Okay. Here we have the A/B test isn't running yet. Okay. I need just to click here. And here you're going to have the numbers. Okay. Here you're going to have the numbers. Okay. How many page views, the conversion rate. Okay. And you're going to choose the one that you're happy. Once you're happy, you're going to click here where it says an A/B test. Okay. I want to end it. Okay. And then you're going to leave the one that is actually the clear winner. You're going to remove the one that is working, that is not working, sorry. And then you're going to click the one that is actually clear winner. Again, if you want to learn more about this in detail, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have more information about it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.